What's going on? It's your girl Lilcutenurse Raquel, and I'm back, y'all, with my Boxy base box. Y'all, this box actually came on Wednesday, and today is Sunday. Y'all, let me tell you, I've been working up until then. Y'all know I've been wanting to open these boxes. I was upside down. Okay, y'all know we want to open these boxes and see what's going on. So let's see what I have in my Boxycharm base box for the month of February. And really, you hardly ever get one card, but this time I got two. Okay, this one's going to be a really good box. And the card number, C2102024. See, I don't know, y'all. It's crazy. BA heart. That's too much. It's too much. That's a lot. But anyway, let's see what the first thing I see in here. Probiotics and superfoods. Oh, it's another Tula skincare. Deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. I like Tula products, so I'm happy to have that. It says this is $32. Get pores. Get this. Oh, now got pores. Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize pores. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to use this tonight because, y'all, I got craters. Oh, I thought it was going to be black, but it's just pink with little specks. Okay, and I can feel a little swirls in it. So, yeah, I'm excited to use that. Y'all, I got a couple skincare boxes I need to get out and share with y'all. If I didn't say that was $32. The next thing I see here is a Trustique, which I didn't like the first time we got this, but okay. And it looks like it has an eyeliner in here with it this time. It's the, where is this? Trustique Eye Duo. Good Vibes by Mascara and Eye Pencil. It says it's $44. The mascara was good. But the concept of the little, let me show y'all, I'm gonna tell you, this is why I'm so stuck on this little thing right here. I did not like this right here. Supposed to be able to curl your eyelashes, but it's probably big enough for a baby doll's eyelashes, so that's horrible. And it pinches your eye when you try to use it, so I won't. But the mascara itself is good. It's good. I'm not going to open it because I got a couple of mascaras open. And this time, looks like we got a Trustique pencil, sharpen and smudge eye pencil. Let's see what it looks like. Well, ain't nothing coming off so far. Y'all see that? Well, you know what? Maybe I need to open it. That was funny. But it looked like it didn't have a cap. Okay, give me a pass. Okay, that's pretty black. Okay. And I don't know how it's going to stay, but it's pretty dark. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm happy. I'll take this again just because of this pencil. And it says this was $44 for that duo. The next thing I see here is St. Lux Limited Edition Liner Duo. St. Luxie. Okay, I'm assuming that's from Luxie. Limited Edition Liner Duo. This lip liner duo makes like lips sharp, shaping easier than ever. Shaping easier than ever. It says this duo is $40. So I guess that's like $20 a pencil. Okay. Those are the two colors that I have. Oop, and it broke. And it broke. That completely broke. Looks like you have to sharpen the plastic, so yeah, I could have been pressing too hard. And let's see about the other one. Yeah, it broke too. So I don't know about $40 for these pencils, but yeah, that's what was in my box. Yeah, that disgusted me a lot. And then I have some baby little, look like brushes. Is that what this is? It says Glimmer Pink Luxe Glitter Brush Set. Okay. Yeah, I didn't get to make any choices this month, so yeah. I don't know. Those are the brushes. That's cute, but I don't know. They don't look like, looks like something I would have bought for my daughter when she was 10 or 8. I don't know. I'm not happy with this box, but it is what it is, and we can never find something to do. Use those brushes for this. No, this is just going out to the trash. And the last thing I have in my box is, did I tell you how much those brushes were? Those brushes were $30. The last thing I have in here is Brow Bar Remy Bombshell Brow Kit. I just don't see. It says this brow kit is $40. Now, I like that palette we got from Brow Bar a little while ago. It's got really nice packaging. So, if I can get in it there. Okay, let's see. Well, I'm going to have enough tweezers for a lifetime. This is what it looks like. Try to ignore the mirror. Looks dark enough. Looks dark enough. Looks like it's that's a concealer. That's a brow powder. I don't know what that gray is supposed to do. And this looks like a highlighter for under the brow. Now that highlighter I like. And you get a little brow pencil. Let's see what color that is. Okay, that's a good little brown. And you get some tweezers and a little spoolie brush. I really want to see what this brow highlighter is about. I just want to see. Yeah, I knew I would like that. For right underneath the brow. Okay. This box is not all that, but it was cute. It was cute. I think it was cute. And I can always use another set of tweezers. So, yeah. I never can have too many of those. So, yeah, that's it, guys, for my February Boxycharm base box. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.